time to take the old original exhaust out and put in this Ragazzon. I need to remove this, and of course the two rubber things, 1 part 2, but this I will not remove. I think that I will take everything down, hopefully. There you have the second rubber. It's only one there and 2 up here, and then of course 2 more all the way in the back end where the silencer hangs. Yes, and finally we have one bolt that actually we could loosen. That, you see, it's loose now, and I need to just cut them off here. I can see now, you see the rubber, they have been repaired a lot. We managed to get them out, get the old central silencer, and this is the replacement for it. Nothing in life is painless, and of course we come to this steel band that connects the last part, the silencer, with the middle part, and of course this is so badly rusted. Trying to... I'm so afraid I will destroy my camera too. It was the worst thing so far to get that piece of shit out of the silencer. Damn, it was so stuck. The silencer is out. And, well, it's a bit rusty. This was a nightmare to fit that one. But now, we are ready to finally fit it in. We managed to get it on. It was actually, it was very easy. But we managed to have one of the old rubber things on the middle pipe. And now we have the final result. But look how beautiful it is. 1 meter.